Take him into your house. Where's your house? Show him your house, honey. Ooh, you got zebra. Well, you're going to have to... Well, there you go. Who's in the house?
Daddy in the house. Daddy in the house.
A doggy.
Airplane seeing doggy.
Airplane's going to see doggy, yeah. Hi, everybody.
They're coming over. They're coming over. They're coming over.
He's coming. She's coming over. And she's ever so cute. Well, now who's going to leave? Who's going to get out of the house?
Get out of the house.
Ooh.
Get out of the house. Get out of the house. Get out of the house.
Who's still in the house? Who is that?
Daddy? You want to go see her? You want to go see her?
Oh, I'll see him.
Move. Move. I can move a chair. I can move a chair.
Well, I'm sitting on the chair.